Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off Find My iPhone without entering your passcode. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here privacy, so just scroll until you will see privacy. And here you need to find location services, and in the location services you just scroll until you will see here system services, so just open it, and here you will see Find My iPhone, so just turn off here. So you need to enter Apple ID password and just click to turn off. So after it will successfully turn off this function. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.